Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to download and install Dragon Dogma 2. So first, open your Steam and search for Dragon Dogma 2, enter, and select the first thing that you see. Click on it. Now, you can download the character creator, but we want to buy a Dragon Dogma 2. So you select add to cart, view my car. Now make sure you select for my account and continue shopping. Uh, sorry, no continue shopping, but continue to payment. Now you must fill your paying method and type agree and type push and type buy. And now when you go to your library, you will see there. Just click on it and play. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and see you later. Bye.